The cyberspace software company AdGuard announced an update to its AdGuard VPN service. It's now available on the Microsoft Store for users running Windows 10 or later versions. While a version of AdGuard VPN on PC has been available for years, its arrival on the Microsoft Store will make things easier for users. In other words, you will have to make fewer clicks to find, install, and update AdGuard VPN on your computer. You don't need to spend time downloading and running a separate installer to get the app. AdGuard VPN now relies on the Microsoft Store's built-in update system to offer automatic updates to your device in the background, alongside updates for other apps. The company says that the App Store support makes discovery safer, reduces the chances of fake or copycat listings, and ensures you always get an official build. It notes that subscriptions are still handled directly by AdGuard rather than Microsoft's payment system. Those who prefer standalone installers can download them directly from the official website. Note that while the Microsoft Store shows the last updated date as May 22nd, there were no reviews at the time of writing. One reason people use VPNs is to access websites blocked in their region. AdGuard says that it offers VPN servers in more than 80 locations across 62 countries. According to its store listing, AdGuard offers features such as public Wi-Fi protection, DNS filtering, and the ability to exclude specific websites and apps. If you have a subscription, it can work on up to 10 devices at the same time and offers AES 256 encryption. While a new app arrived on the Microsoft Store, another left the store. Earlier this week, the Redmond giant removed that 3D viewer app from the store as part of its planned retirement. While it will continue to function for the time being, no new installs are allowed after July 1, 2026.